In today's video, we are going to cover how to export deals from HubSpot. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account. Once you are in, go to the main navigation and open CRM, then select Deals. This brings you to the Deals page where you can work from your current pipeline view and decide which records need to be included in the export. From here, choose the deal view you want to export. If you already have a saved view that contains the right records, open that view first. If not, apply filters so the page only shows the deals you want in the file. This part matters because HubSpot will export based on the view or filtered set you are working with, so make sure the records on screen match what you intend to download before continuing. Once the correct deals are visible, click Export. That opens the Export View window, where you will set up the file before HubSpot generates it. Take a moment here to review each field so the export matches the format you need. Enter a name for the export. Use a name that helps you recognize the file later, especially if you download exports often or share them with other people on your team. After naming the export, choose the file format. For many cases, CSV is a common choice, but you can select a format that fits how you plan to use the data. Then choose the language for the column headers so the exported file uses the labels you expect when you open it. If you need to adjust more settings, expand the Customize section. This step is optional, so you only need to open it if you want to modify the export options available in that section. If the default settings already match your needs, you can leave Customize collapsed and move on. When everything looks correct, click Export again to generate the file. HubSpot will begin processing the export in the background. Depending on the number of deals and properties included, this may take a moment. There is nothing else to configure during this part, so just wait for the export to finish. After HubSpot completes the process, download the file from the Notification Center or from the Export Audit area. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment and check again. Make sure you download the file from the correct export entry, especially if there are multiple recent exports in your account. Once the file is downloaded, open it and review the contents. Check that the deal records you expected are included and confirm that the associated properties exported correctly. Look over the column headers and a few sample rows so you can confirm that the file format, language, and record selection all came through as intended. Your HubSpot Deals export file is now downloaded and ready for review or use.